Oh yeah. You know, I just got an email about this today.
Yeah, right. It's pretty new.
So what does this do? Just a portable battery?
Exactly. It works. It can charge drones particularly fast. And there's a lot of really high output ports. So compared to other stuff on the market, it's quick and holds a lot of charge.
How much does this weigh? Oh,
Good question. Pretty heavy.
that is pretty hefty. Okay, I thought it was nailed down or something. I was like, wait a minute.
Immediately out of your day, it's always.
It's a pretty nice weight. All right, so we got this one here, and this it's on sale right now for $6.99.
I do believe so.
It's not bad. Got two ports here. HDMI. I'm sorry, not HDMI, but USB-A, USB-C. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Diekin here on RC Diekin, and today we have the brand new DJI Power 1000. Now, several days ago, I just so happened to walk into a DJI approved or authorized store and came across this thing, and I'm really impressed with it. Now, currently, the DJI Power 1000 is pretty much brand new. I got an email for it the exact same day that I saw it. I had no idea that I would see it because, you know, a lot of these retail stores don't have some of these newer products, especially a store tailored for DJI products and other specialty related camera equipment and other electronics. In fact, typically not even a store like a Best Buy would carry something like this. And so fortunately I was able to see this in person, and currently this thing normally sells for $100 or $1,000, $999, but right now you can get it on sale with 40% off on the DJI store and also on Amazon for $599. Now, they do have a smaller model called the DJI Power 500. I did not see that in the store, but this thing is quite nice. In fact, it has a dual 140 watt USB-C ports, super fast charging. It also has 70 minutes of charging. In fact, I talked to a couple of guys. They were able to play, I think, their Xbox or watch TV on this for about 3 to 4 hours, and it only drained the battery to about 80%. So they only used about 20% of the battery life. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the specs and some of the things that you could take a look, be interested in as far as this power adapter. So some of the other noticeable features about this power adapter is it has a 2200 watt max continuous output, and that's pretty nice for a device like this. So not only can you charge your DJI drone stuff with this, this is not made specifically for DJI products. I want to keep you guys in mind of that. This could be made or used with your RC cars. This could be used with your TV, your Xbox, your single board computers, charging your batteries, your cell phone. So any other type of electronic devices that you have, or just want to create that kind of mindset that you can use this device for a number of different products. It is not specifically made for DJI products. It has dual USB-C outputs at 140 watt max, an ultra quiet operation, a noise level of about 23 decibels while recharging. You could recharge this in just about 1.35 hours up to 800 watts with a specific input. It's very lightweight. In fact, I don't know if I would really want to call this lightweight. Maybe it's lightweight in its class. When I first touched this, I thought it was nailed down. So it does have some weight to this. I probably want to say this thing comes in at about maybe 40 pounds, maybe 35, somewhere around that. I mean, this thing does have some weight to it, because I didn't want to try to, break it in the store, just lift it up off the table, but this has some significant weight. And that's a good thing, because you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it over or accidentally knocking it over. This does have some pretty good weight to it. Actually, okay, see here that the weight is 32.56 pounds. So it is a pretty hefty battery life. Now, for the price that you're getting for it, this is pretty much a steal. And considering that, different states or whatnot, because there's a lot of power outages, like even right now in Texas, this is something you can get without having to break the bank. Now, typically, most people will get like a backup generator or something where you have to put gas in it and it'll have to last you several hours. But this is something something good to have in emergency purposes. You don't have to just get this for your camping needs. This will be good for all of those rolling blackouts that go on within neighboring states. You know, a lot of people just had their power knocked out for all those tornadoes and hurricanes. This is something that I would highly recommend for situations like this. Fast charges for a DJI drone sold separately. You could get the charging cables. You could charge your battery for it for the Mavic 3 and the Air 3. And it also says unlock extended flight time for expanded creativity. It comes with a 10-year lifetime warranty, which is pretty good with this, and fully rechargeable. So it says here that it can be recharged within 70 minutes using a grid power. Charge fast and save time, so you get moving on to your next adventure product. So all in all, I'd highly recommend this. In fact, it was really easy to use. You have a couple of different modes on here while I was playing around with it. And, you know, out of all the different chargers, this is probably the one that I saw that was reasonably priced that also caught my attention. There's a lot of different battery chargers that are out there. I've checked out quite a few of them. And you can keep in mind, this is only $600 right now. You figure some of the other ones that I've even shown on this channel range about between $150 to $200, and it does not have this type of power output. Again, this is made for your TVs. This is made for your blow dryers, your gaming units, your gaming monitors, and you can use that for at least a good 5, 6, 7 hours and really get some really good use out of it. Some of the other ones that I've seen in the past, those are just more or less portable uses just to kind of recharge your cell phone, your iPads, and some of the other devices. But they're not made for heavy end usage. In fact, you can even charge up, or not charge up, but you can even use a small refrigerator on this. This is rated for that kind of use. But all in all, just wanted to show you guys the new device that's here on the channel. I did upload this as part of my other video when I was at the drone store. Those people were pretty nice, but for those of you who are new to the channel and wanted to find this product, I know there's not going to be a lot of reviews on it. I know there's not a lot of people who actually have it. It pretty much just came out. Now keep in mind, if you want to take advantage of this discount, the discount of 40% right now ends on the 17th of July. So this is really good for all of your solar charging and all of your additional needs. It is a fast charger. So if you're camping, emergency situations, this is something that should be in your household and something you should consider getting. So without further ado, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll have some additional RC videos and whatnot coming up. But for those of you who are true enthusiasts, camping and whatnot, I thought this would be a great addition. Now keep in mind, they do have the 500 version available, which is currently going. That one has 24% off. Is the DJI Power 500, and I would say that one is also a steal. Currently, right now, the price on that is $379. The regular price is $499. So if you didn't want to have to come out of pocket and spend $600, even though that one is on sale, you can get the smaller unit for $379. The specs on that one has a 10,000 watt genuine stable high capacity battery output. It's a little pricey in terms of 10,000 watts. I have a smaller battery that I got for about $80 that has 10,000 watts. It also has a fully charged time of 70 minutes, and you could use this one indoors and outdoors as well. So again, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I will catch you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye. One last thing before I go, almost forgot, you cannot travel with this on an airplane, neither one of them. They exceed the 100 watt limit, so that's very vital. I know a lot of you are into flying drones and going different places, but this one cannot be transported. It does not fit the FAA regulations. So with that being said, you guys take care. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.